welcome to another episode of my vlog, episode 34. I'm taking Matthew and Rachel berry picking. My oldest brother's eldest son, Matthew, he is 7. How old are you now?
I'm turning 8.
8. This is my nephew, Matthew, and my niece, Rachel.
Hi, I'm 5.
Sebastian and Melissa's firstborn and secondborn. That's a lot of blackberries, eh?
Yep.
Happy with that?
Yep, very happy. I'm from 12. We got much blackberries.
Oh my.
This is for you guys and that's for us.
Oh my word. You did a good job. Thank you so very much. And why is your mouth so purple?
Blackberries for your mom and dad, okay? Miso paste. I've got more, so just tell them if they finish this soon, then they can get more. I've got still more, okay?
What do you mean?
Blackberries are nice, eh? Hi!
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Bye, guys!
So it's a vegan pasta.
Yes.
Thanks for coming berry picking with me, hey?
Watch The Office now.
Bye!
Bye.
Matthew, wrong way! Do you follow the path?
I made a nice vegan white wine sauce pasta.
Yum!
Okay, I'm gonna serve now.
I'm ready. Eva and I are going to watch an episode of The Office. I've never seen The Office.
I'm already on season 2.
Eva's on season 2 and she's
Almost done with season 2.
Alright, she's convinced me to watch it. So far, I find it very strange. It's a very dry sense of humor and...
Thank you for showing. Wow, this is fantastic. I love this show. Thanks, Fred. Just wait.
This is Ryan, the new tech. What's up? Nice to meet you.
Oh, I love Ryan. Thank you.
One of the rules.
You're not watching.
It's my secret. No, do not. Because there are starving people in the world, and which I hate, and it is a waste. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do something. Here's the deal, you guys. I wanted to stop. Yeah. And yeah. Jim.
some days. When you have to be on the go in the mornings, it's nice to have breakfast already prepped, so that's what I'm doing now. This is my recipe for overnight oats. I put a little bit of plant milk, a few dates, peanut butter, dash of cinnamon, flax powder, which is ground linseeds, cocoa powder, give it a chocolate flavor, some water, and now she's ready for blitz. All blitzed up, and it's actually really thick. So because it's so gloopy, just making it more watery. Rolled oats, and I'm adding in the mixture. You're a bit camera shy. Good night, guys. Good morning. I'm gonna show you how to do the rest of the breakfast bowl this morning. Here's the next day oats. Chia, pumpkin seeds, almonds, coconut flakes, blackberries, wholesome morning breakfast bowl.
Until tomorrow.
That and a cup of coffee. Good morning. Come on. Coming for dinner.
Rachel's my super helper. Did you tell her to guess what we put in here?
Beans?
And?
More beans?
And?
Onions.
The onion. Rachel's been eating it as well.
Aww. Did you help your mom make the salad? For dinner tonight. We're having a braai. Wow.
I wanted my mom to buy them. I told
What?
her to.
Oh, I love these sugar snap peas.
I love them too.
See you guys later. For a little walk. I try and make the most of these afternoons after work. I'm not looking forward to winter. Gotta lap up every lasting little moment of what's left of every summer day. This lemon orchard used to be surrounded by these very tall trees. I forget what they're called now. They created a windbreaker and they've been cut down now. So the orchard is a lot more exposed now to wind. So they've cut a whole lot of lemon trees down. Half the orchard over there, a bit of the rest of it there. Yeah, it's given a total different look to the farm now. So this used to be a pomegranate orchard, but it's also been ripped out. So no more pomegranates. I'm waiting for the sun to set a bit so that I can take some nice farm footage with my other camera. I know that I often say thank you guys for the support and thank you for your comments and your likes and please subscribe and thank you for subscribing or I comment. It means a lot. It really does mean a lot and it really does help. So yeah, thank you guys, because without you all and all your support and the views on my channel, I wouldn't have been able to earn the revenue and bought an awesome subscription to this music platform. You've been so patient. We're gonna get some nice footage now. Go clamp down. So I just finished up a little yoga session and had a shower. We're having a fish Friday fish dinner. Hot dot. Noah's here. Sarah and Lee's son Noah. Oh, I missed it.
Let me put.
Yeah, I missed the cinematic. Cheers.
The guy from where?
Fish Friday. Bon appetit! I think you must go serve yourself.
I thought that you were giving me that plate.
Oh, shame.